Good morning. This is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. I want to talk today about a really unique and special feature that brand new Mazdas offer their customers. It's a phenomenal feature, especially in the Midwest here, and especially for this particular holiday season where it gets very cold outside. You get up, you go to work, you get in your car, and now you got to start your car, and you got to scrape the windshield, and you got to put on your defrost, and all that nonsense. Well, Mazda makes it very easy for their customers to get up and go to work in the morning, and what that feature is called is Mobile Start. Mobile Start works just like Remote Start, but it's better. And the way that it's better is that it goes through your cell phone. Now, Mazda offers this feature free to all of their new customers for 3 solid years. Free. I'll say that again. Free for 3 years. Now, what you do when you purchase a brand new Mazda, your sales associate is going to have you download an app called My Mazda. When you download the My Mazda app, you're going to go through a registration process. It takes only a few minutes. Your name, your phone number, your email address. You're going to create a password. But what's really nice is once it's all set up and you add your vehicle information, what your salesperson is going to do for you. It's just a matter of putting in your VIN number, and then 6 digits will pop up on your screen. You'll input those 6 digits into the app on your phone, and voila, your car has now been registered to the My Mazda app. Now, once again, with this Mobile Start, what makes it really nice for you is that you can start your car virtually from anywhere using your cell phone. You don't have to be within 50 feet or 80 feet or 100 feet of your vehicle. I mean, literally, you could be in California, your vehicle could be in New York City, and you could start your car from California in New York City if that's what you wanted to do. Now, obviously, you're not going to do that, but I'm just giving you an example of the range in which you can do it. So if you work in a hospital and your vehicle is all the way on the other side of the parking lot and it's 10 below outside and you're going to get off of work in 30 minutes, you just pull up your app, you hold down the start button on the app, a green light's going to appear. And that green light's going to go all the way around in a circle. Once it completes, your car is started. It's a magnificent feature. It's going to help keep you warm. It's going to help keep you protected. And the best part about this feature, just like any other remote start, when your car is running, once you get out to your car and you actually open the door, the car will turn off for safety reasons. That way, you don't have to worry about your car being stolen at all. Mazda has thought of everything. So here we have it. Come to Mazda. Come to Russ Darrow Mazda, 3520 South 108th Street. Ask for me, Jason. I'd love to work with you. And I can help sell you a brand new, beautiful Mazda, whether it be a Mazda 3, a CX-5, CX-50, CX-9. We have them all. Come see me. I'll get you in a brand new Mazda. I'll help you to download that My Mazda app. I'll set up your Mobile Start. I'll show you how it works, and then you can start enjoying your brand new Mazda and enjoy that free feature of the Mobile Start. Once again, this is Jason at Russ Darrow Mazda. I'll look for you in the lot. Have a great day.